Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about the ongoing court battle concerning a subpoena against the former U.S. Vice President, Mike Pence. In March of 2020, President Donald Trump and Vice President Mike Pence held a news conference amid the coronavirus outbreak in Washington, D.C. Now, attorneys for former President Donald Trump are trying to block ex-Vice President Mike Pence from testifying in a special counsel investigation of Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election. Trump's legal team has appealed the order from U.S. District Judge James Boasberg in Washington, D.C. According to Stephen Cheung, a spokesman for Trump's 2024 presidential campaign, this is an attempt by the Department of Justice to destroy the long-accepted, long-held, constitutionally based standards of attorney-client privilege, in an effort to influence Trump's standing in the 2024 election. Pence previously said he would challenge the subpoena for his testimony, as his former role as vice president granted him constitutional cover against being compelled to testify about interactive pieces of the probe. However, last month Judge Boasberg ordered Pence to comply with the grand jury subpoena. The judge ruled that Pence does have some protections against testifying about his role on January 6, 2021, when he presided over the confirmation of President Joe Biden's 2020 electoral win. But Boasberg affirmed that Pence is not totally immune from testifying. Last week, an advisor for Pence said that the legal claim prevailed and Pence would comply with the subpoena as required by law. This precedent-setting court battle is a perfect example of the ever-changing relationship between the executive and legislative branches of government, and how the powers of each branch are balanced. Trump's legal team has argued against the subpoena on grounds of executive privilege, and how that affects the president's ability to consult with the vice president on matters of national security. This case could have significant impacts on our constitutional system, as it brings to light the powers of the executive branch and the legal responsibilities of the vice president against the involvement of the judiciary branch. Ultimately, if Trump's legal team is successful in fighting against the subpoena, it could set a precedent that would prevent a special counsel from forcing a former vice president to testify in the future. We will keep you updated as the story develops, but for now, it is unclear what will be the eventual outcome of this case. We will be deeply analyzing this case in later videos, so please make sure you are subscribed to stay informed. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.